Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Syarif Bin Saifuzzaman from class 4D, and today I will present my report as a financial manager for Batu Kawan Berhad. Okay, first for the current ratio, we can see that on 2020, the ratio for the year is higher than 2021, which is 16.03 times compared to 2021 with the current ratio of 0.67 times. This show that in the year 2021, company have a problem to meet the short-term debt compared to the year 2020, which that they can meet the short-term debt. Okay, next is for the quick ratio. The result shows that quick ratio for the year of 2020 is higher than 2021 by 60.70 times compared to 2021 by only 0.67 times. They show that in the year 2021, company have a lower ability to pay without having to rely on the liquidity of the current assets. Okay, next is for the net working capital. They show that net working capital on 2021 is higher than 2020 because it was in a negative side. Negative side show that it's facing a reduce in the amount of fixed assets that are financed with current liabilities. On 2020, it has a decrease, but not much as in 2021, and it showed that on 2020, the amount of fixed assets that are financed with current liability is ringgit Malaysia 168,934 compared to 2021 with a negative 74,480 ringgit. Okay, next for the activity or asset management ratio. Under the asset management ratio, there are inventory turnover ratio, we call it CTO. The result shows that the inventory turnover for 2020 is higher than 2021 with 6.87 times. For the year 2020, the company is effectively using its inventory to generate sales. Compared to 2021, the inventory turnover is lower, 5.55 times and 1.32 lower than 2020. Okay, next is for average collection period. The result shows that year 2021 is higher by 9 days compared to 2020 by 6 days. For year 2021, it showed that the firms are not good in managing its credits, sales and less cash in hand. Okay, next is for the fixed asset turnover. This result showed that 2021 fixed asset turnover was higher by 13.90 times than 2020 by 30.75 times. In the year 2021, firm is able to utilize its fixed asset and good in managing its assets. Next is for the total asset turnover. The result showed the total asset turnover for the year 2021 is lower than which only 0.28 times compared to year 2020 with the total asset turnover of 8.95 times. This showed that in year 2021, company should increase its sales of some assets may be disposed of compared to year 2020. Okay, lastly for the comment for overall performance of Batu Kawan Berhad compared to industry average. So the company overall liquidity ratio shows a good performance compared to the industry average. Batu Kawan Berhad management ratio shows a good performance. 3 ratio shows a good performance out of 4 ratios, and this indicate that this company is in good managing its asset. Batu Kawan Berhad average ratio show a bad performance, and it indicates that the company is not good at managing its debt. Okay, lastly for the conclusion, based on the liquidity ratio and activity ratio analysis that I have calculated for the company for the year 2020 and also 2021 shows a significant difference between these 2 years. Most of the goods and higher ratio are from the 2021, which means the business for Big Kawan in the year 2021 is quite great. It shows a good performance than the previous year. So that's all for my financial manager presentation. Thank you.